Chula Vista Fire Department, Training Division. Elkhart Brass Handline Nozzles. Care and Maintenance. Care and Maintenance Instructions. Weekly visual inspections and monthly operational checks should provide excellent reliability. All nozzles should be flow tested before entering any hazardous environment to ensure the equipment is operating properly. The following maintenance procedures should be followed after each use of any handline nozzles. After removing the nozzle from the hose line, adequately submerge the nozzle in a mixture of mild soap and warm water for approximately 15 minutes. Remove any debris using a soft brush and thoroughly rinse with fresh, clean water after cleaning any obvious debris. Disassemble the breakaway tip to thoroughly clean the exposed threads, and manipulate the nozzle head to work out any caught debris. If the nozzle has spinning teeth, make sure they spin freely and there is no damage to the ring. Rotate the nozzle head through the pattern positions to ensure it moves freely. Rotate the swivel at the base of the nozzle to ensure it moves freely and is non-damaged. Visualize to ensure the seal gasket is inside the swivel. Inspect the nozzle shutoff. Open and close the bail shutoff. Visualize to ensure no debris is caught inside the nozzle. If any damage is found throughout the process of maintaining and cleaning the nozzle, follow your chain of command in contacting the nozzle officer for any needed repairs.